What is the crack? My name's the Rusty Bartender. Welcome to the channel. This is a very special episode as we have just hit 1.5 thousand subscribers. Thank you so much. And to celebrate this, I'm going to be doing three different cocktails with limoncello today. Not just any limoncello, this is Steve the Bartender's limoncello. I was lucky enough to meet him at a gin festival about a month ago and he generously donated this to the channel. Let's get straight into it. This is 3 cocktails using limoncello that you've never heard of before, probably. The first cocktail we're going to make today is a drink called the Bon Bon cocktail, and it was first discovered in 2001 at a bar called the Lab Bar in London, England. And this exact recipe comes from Difford's Guide online. To make this drink today, you're going to need some limoncello. We're using Threefold Distillery's limoncello. You're then going to need some butterscotch liqueur. And you're going to need some vodka. We're using Rusty Barrel vodka today, which is also made in Australia. Along with those ingredients, you're going to need vanilla sugar syrup and freshly squeezed lemon juice. So we're going to start off with 1 ounce or 30 mils of our limoncello. Then 10 mils of our butterscotch liqueur. Then we're going to go 45 mils of our vodka. Then 15 mils of our freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then finally 10 mils of our vanilla simple syrup. Add ice to your shaker. And now we're just gonna give this a shake for about 10 to 12 seconds. Like and subscribe. Please and thank you. And then strain this into a chilled glass. There you go, folks, the Bon Bon cocktail. Let's give it a sip, see what's going on in the glass. So this does exactly what it says on the tin. The Bon Bon is a sweet, lemony, sugary candy, I guess you'd call it in America. We just call them sweets in the UK and Ireland. And this tastes exactly like a Bon Bon sweet. It's actually quite balanced because there's only a little bit of added sugar. Obviously you got some sugar coming from the butterscotch liqueur and the limoncello already. But the fresh lemon juice kind of balances that all out. This is a tasty little sipper, folks. Try this, the Bon Bon cocktail. On to the next one. So this next cocktail is called the Red Earl and is by legendary bartender Salvatore Calabrese. And the alcohol for this cocktail, we're using limoncello again, Threefold Distilleries. We're using Rusty Barrel's vodka again. And along with those ingredients, you're also going to need some sugar syrup and some raspberries. So we're going to start off with 10 raspberries. And yes, I did not stutter, 10 raspberries altogether. And you're going to give these a nice good muddle with your muddler. You're going to extract all those juices out of these raspberries. We're then going to add 15 mils of our limoncello. Then 45 mils of our vodka. And finally 7.5 mils of our simple syrup. Add ice to your shaker. Give this a shake for about 10 to 12 seconds. Like and subscribe. Please and thank you. Oh my God. That was a bit stiff getting that off. We're going to double strain this one into our chilled cooked glass this time. We have a lot of seeds from the raspberries on this one, so if the seeds get stuck, just give your spoon a little twist in the strainer, help everything out. And there you go, folks, the Red Earl. It is a great color. Not a bad wash line on the glass. I guess the wash line is going to depend on the yield of the juice that you're getting from your fresh raspberries. My raspberries were pretty small, so 10 of them, I don't know, maybe I should have used a bit more to bump the raspberry juice up, but here we go. Give it a little sip, see what's going on in the glass. Very tasty. Even though there's only 15 mils of the limoncello in this recipe, it's shining through. The lemon and the raspberry pair so well together. Tartness from the raspberry. It's not too sweet. Everything's kind of balanced. This is a great little drink. The Red Earl. Cheers. On to the next one. Okay, the third cocktail on this list today is the Sanguinello cocktail. I've probably butchered that name. But if you're from the region of Amalfi down the south coast of Italy, you probably know this drink already. And so my thumbnail was probably totally misleading you. But if you're not from that part of the world, you might not know this cocktail. Let's get into this one. So alcohol for this one, we're obviously using our limoncello again. We're also using Campari today. And the other ingredient which is meant to be in this recipe is blood orange, so it's fresh blood orange juice. Unfortunately, at the minute in Australia, blood orange season is from August onwards. And as we're filming this in April, can't get my hands on any blood oranges. So I got this orange from our local fruit supplier, and they assure me that this variety of orange is a bitter type of orange. So although it's not going to have the blood orange color that we want, it'll still have the same kind of flavors going on. But if you can get blood oranges, use blood oranges. This one is a shaken cocktail, so into your shaker, pour 30 mils of your limoncello, and 30 mils of your Campari. And then 30 mils of freshly squeezed orange juice. Add ice to your shaker and shake for 10 to 12 seconds. Like and subscribe. Please and thank you. That was really dramatic, wasn't it? Add a nice big cube of ice to a chilled rocks glass, and we're just going to double strain over the ice. Garnish for this one is a orange slice, or blood orange if you've got it. And here we go, folks, the Sanguinello cocktail. Sanguinello, is that how you pronounce it? Let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure it's not. Here we go, give it a little taste to see what's going on in the glass. Oh yes, that is delicious. Very nice. If you've ever had a Garibaldi, this is giving big Garibaldi vibes off this one, but you've obviously got the limoncello shining through too, so really good limoncello makes the difference in this drink, and that's Steve the bartender's limoncello. Pretty good. Tangy, lemony, pretty much everything you want in your limoncello. Goes great in this cocktail. This could be a new favorite. Sanguinello. Give this one a try, folks. And there you go. That was 3 limoncello cocktails you might never heard of. Like and subscribe and all that good shit. See you in the next one.